sensible.
Please don't. Rob, I'm telling you.
Do what?
Stop that.
What's up, guys? So we're getting some light snow right now, so I figured I would take my mom out in the Subaru and do some snow stuff and film her reaction and stuff like that. But yeah, some beautiful weather out. I don't think the Subaru will have any trouble, though I am on all seasons, so we'll see how that goes. Okay. Woo! Alright, so we're in the Subi. Gonna start it up. Hopefully it starts. See what happens. We are in business. Alright, so I guess step one would be, let's see if we can get out of the parking spot on these all seasons and then go from there. So feeling?
Stressed.
Why are you feeling stressed?
Because I'm driving. I'm in the car with an idiot.
I'm not an idiot.
An idiot that really wanted to come out in the snow. As I hold on for dear life. Oh goody, our first traffic circle. I can't see. Are we stuck?
Not yet.
Yeah, we're stuck.
We're doing it, boy. I'm gonna have to clean my car.
Not
And over here. And how much snow is in here, Mom? No. No, look with the camera.
Oh yeah.
No, with the camera, Mom. Look over here. All the snow. Wipe off the screen. So, Virginia Beach snowpocalypse.
I can walk home from here if I had to.
Alright, I'm not stopping.
No, please don't.
That's a curb, so. That's a drift, Mom.
things were awesome.
Are you ready?
Sort of. I just don't want to hit it. Okay, now can we just drive sensibly home,
No.
please?
Mom, everything I do is sensible.
Okay, please don't. Rob, I'm telling
Do
you.
what?
Stop that.
Mom,
I don't want to wipe out one of my neighbor's
We're not.
mailboxes. Stop it. Rob, stop it. Please stop.
Mom, I'm coming.
Especially when there's a girl and a car and a
Mom,
dog.
Calm down. Nothing I am doing is unsensible. What I'm about to do
Don't. Rob,
in the cul-de-sac is fine.
don't.
Cul-de-sac is fine.
Please.
What?
Don't.
Do a donut in the cul-de-sac? And
Yeah, and you're going to hit somebody's mailbox.
anyone's mailbox. Did I hit anyone's mailbox? GoPro, stop recording.